it's Katie from Tent World Archerfield. I'm here today to show you how to pack up a dome tent into its bag. Now this applies for any dome tent no matter what the size. So firstly we'll fold up the tent, just move the fly out of the way. So you fold the two sides into the middle. Like so, and fold it in half again. Put it to the side. With the fly, it's a little bit tricky, but I find it easiest to fold it in half completely. And here's the center. So it's in half, fold the edges in to make a straight edge here. Go, fold these into the middle. So, and fold in half again. So it roughly has to be the size of the tent. Bring the tent back in, put the fly on top. And you grab your tent poles and pegs and roll it up with the tent. As you go, push the air out to make sure it's small as possible. You can tie it up with these ties. So it's all nice and compact. And pop it in the bag. And that's how you pack it into the bag.